Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and on this channel I share a lot of natural hair growth tips and tricks as well as content on radiography and lifestyle. So if these are topics you're interested in, you might want to consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notifications so you never miss a post again. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing a single natural ingredient that can define your curls, lock in moisture, and boost hair growth without any harmful chemicals. Today we're making flaxseed gel, a nutrient-packed, affordable hair ingredient that is perfect for natural hair, especially thick 4C coils. You need a cup of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of water, a pot for boiling, a strainer or stocking cap, and a clean jar for storage. Now you want to pour in 2 cups of water into a pot and then bring it to boil. Once the water is boiling, you add half cup of flax seeds and stir occasionally and let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Or you might as well put in your flax seeds into the pot and add water to it. However you'd like, just boil this mixture and stir occasionally and let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. As it cooks, you'll notice the water thickening into a gel-like consistency. Turn up the heat and let it cool slightly. Do not let it cool so much, if not it's going to become thick immediately. While it's still warm, strain the gel using a stocking cap or a fine sieve into a bowl. For extra moisture, you can go ahead and add in some aloe vera gel or a few drops of a lightweight oil like grapeseed or jojoba. Then you want to transfer your fresh gel into a clean jar. Store in the fridge for up to a week or freeze in cubes for longer storage. Flaxseed gel is super versatile and can be used in 3 powerful ways. You can use it as a curl defining styler. Apply it onto a clean damp hair after conditioning. It enhances your curls while keeping your hair soft and bouncy. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner by mixing it with your favorite oil and using it as a lightweight leave-in to prevent dryness and frizz. You can also use it as a scalp massage gel by applying it directly to your scalp and massaging it gently. The nutrients in flaxseed nourish your follicles, stimulating growth and reducing breakage. So why is flaxseed gel a holy grail for natural hair? It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which strengthen the hair follicles and support healthy hair growth. It also contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that reduces scalp inflammation and promotes blood circulation. The gel texture provides amazing slip, making detangling thick 4C hair much easier, reducing knots and breakage. It's also a natural humectant, helping your hair retain moisture for days. With regular use, flaxseed gel helps your hair grow longer, stay hydrated, and look more defined and healthy. And that's how to make your very own flaxseed gel completely natural, affordable, and perfect for any curl pattern.